It's never too late to mend. Once upon a time, there's one man raised and kept many sheep. One day, when he was going to herd the sheep, he finds that there's one sheep lost. It turns out that there's a hole broken on the wall. The sheep was caught and hunted when one wolf went inside from the hole during night. The neighbors persuaded him hurry up and repair the sheepfold, make the cavity blocked off. He replied, "Now that the sheep has already gone, what's the use of repairing and decorating the sheepfold?" The next morning, he starts to herd sheep. When he reaches the sheepcote, he finds one more sheep is lost there. Once more, the sheep was carried off by the wolf when it went inside from the hole. His very regret for not accepting the neighbor's advice. This time, he immediately blocked the cavity and made the sheepcote firm and solid. From then on, no one sheep has been caught and hunted ever since. Little story, but big knowledge. It is still not very late to repair the sheepfold when knowing some sheep have been caught and hunted by the wolf. The actual meaning is when you are going to find a solution to remedy after something going wrong, it still helps to prevent losing and damaging.